Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in Delhi weather briefing. The low pressure area, which was yesterday over southern Mansi adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal, today lay as a well-marked low pressure area over southeast Bay of Bengal and has concentrated into a depression at 11:30 hours ST of today over southeast Bay of Bengal, and it is very likely to further intensify into a cyclonic storm by tomorrow. This depression is today at 11:30 hours IST of today is concentrated is centered at 9.4 degree north latitude and 91.3 degree east longitude. It is currently at 6 UTC of today, 11:30 hours IST of today. It is 170 km west of Car Nicobar, 300 km of south southwest of Port Blair, 1270 km southeast of Vishakhapatnam, and 1300 km south southeast of Puri. As we have seen, it is very likely to move further northwestwards and intensify further into a cyclonic storm over east central Bay of Bengal by tomorrow. And it is very likely to continue to move northwestwards till 10th May evening and reach west central and adjoining northwest Bay of Bengal off North Andhra Pradesh and Odisha coast. Thereafter, it is very likely to recurve north-northeastwards and move towards northwest Bay of Bengal of Odisha coast. So here, as we can see, the track of the projected track of the depression, uh, as we can see that till 10th of evening, it will be over west central and adjoining northwest Bay of Bengal of North Andhra Pradesh Odisha coast, and thereafter it would recurve northeastwards and move towards northwest Bay of Bengal of Odisha coast. So, under the influence of this depression and its likely intensification into the cyclonic storm, there is a likelihood of 45 to 55 kmph gusting to 65 kmph winds over Andaman and Nicobar Islands and over southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining parts of east central Bay of Bengal. And tomorrow, as the system becomes concentrates into a cyclonic storm, so winds are likely to become 65 to 75 kmph, gusting to 85 kmph over the region of east central Bay of Bengal and adjoining parts of southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining parts of west central Bay of Bengal. And by 9th May, the wind speeds are likely to be 65 to 75 kmph, gusting to 85 kmph over central parts of the Bay of Bengal. And on 10th of May, the winds are likely to further increase, becoming gale wind 80 to 90 kmph, gusting to 100 kmph over the around the system center and over West Central and adjoining Northwest Bay of Bengal and also adjoining parts of East Central Bay of Bengal. And on this day, on 10th of May, there is likelihood of squally winds speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph over the coastal districts of North Andhra Pradesh. On 11th of May, the winds would be gale wind 70 to 80 kmph, gusting to 90 kmph over northwest Bay of Bengal and adjoining parts of west central Bay of Bengal, as the system would recurve north-northeastwards and would reach over northwest Bay of Bengal. But it would remain off Odisha coast. So winds over the coastal Odisha districts and coastal North Andhra Pradesh would be just of the order of 40 to 50 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph. So under the influence of this system is not going to influence neither over north coastal Andhra Pradesh nor over coastal Odisha, as it would remain away from the coast, but there is likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall over the districts of north coastal Andhra Pradesh and over southern coastal districts of Odisha on 10th of May, and on 11th of May there is a likelihood of isolated heavy rainfall over north coastal Andhra Pradesh districts and over coastal Odisha districts, and also over the districts of Midnapur and 24 Parganas of Gangetic West Bengal. So this was all about the system, current system. And if we look into the maximum temperature scenario, so the maximum temperatures have slightly increased yesterday, but they are still under the maximum temperatures are still below 40 degrees centigrade, as we can see over Punjab, over northern Haryana, Delhi, UP, and over the eastern parts of the country, and also over Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, and Marathwada and Telangana. The temperatures are running between 40 to 42 degrees centigrade only. So at one station of Chandrapur of Vidarbha, the maximum temperature has been recorded as 45.2 degrees centigrade, being the only station across the country reporting more than 45 degrees centigrade temperature. So these the temperatures over northwest India and over central India are likely to increase by 3 to 4 degrees centigrade during next 3 days, and thereafter there will be no significant change in the maximum temperatures. And under the influence of this temperature rise, there is likelihood of the heat wave conditions over West Rajasthan in isolated pockets from 8th to 11th of May, and over East Rajasthan from 9th to 11th of May. Of course, this heat wave condition would be only in isolated pockets, and over Haryana, over southern parts of Haryana only, the heat wave conditions would be there over from 9th of May till 11th of May, and over Punjab, southern parts of Punjab, the heat wave conditions are likely in isolated pockets on 10th and 11th of May. Over western parts of Madhya Pradesh, the heat wave conditions would be there on 8th and 9th of May, and over eastern parts, the heat wave conditions would be from 8th to 11th of May. And over peninsular India and over northeast India, the usual activity would be there from scattered to fairly widespread rainfall over northeast India and over Kerala and south interior Karnataka, and there would be isolated to scattered rainfall activity over north interior Karnataka, over coastal Andhra Pradesh, over Rayalaseema during next 5 days. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll again meet with the Delhi weather briefing for weather warning during next 5 days. Thank you and goodbye.